Hey everyone, welcome back today. I am going to show you how to turn your Instagram into a professional account. Whether you are a creator, business owner, or someone who wants to analyze and grow things, this is for you. Open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged in the account you want to upgrade. Then click on these three lines and then select Settings option. And here at the bottom, you will find Account Type and Tools. Click on it. Then here you will select Switch to Professional Account. And then here you see two options. The creator and the business creator is best for influencers, coaches, speakers, bloggers. On the other hand, business option is best for brands, shops, services, or service providers or agencies. For now, we select creator option and then click on the next. Then again, you can click on the next option and then here you can select the category. Then we can select anything. Like for now, I select personal blog and click the option done. And then continue. Now here we see your account is creator. Account is ready now. Click on done now. Our account is be a professional account, so that refreshes wells. And then you see here the option, professional account, click on it here. You can put your email address here, you can put your WhatsApp number here, you can put your phone number, and if anyone wants, can reach to you, they can call you or text you from here. You can select the option and then you can click on the submit option and that's it after switching. Upgrading your bio, add the profile and start posting content that represent your brand. If this helps, hit the like and follow for more social media and digital marketing tips. Thank you.